Hello everyone, my name is Carlos. Today I'm gonna show you how to withdraw your funds from Pionex. Before we start, I wanna say that I speak Spanish and my English is not very good. That's why I speak sometimes very slow so you can understand everything what I'm saying. Withdrawing from Pionex is very easy. We just need to go to Wallet, Withdraw, and here is the withdrawal page. There are a few things we must consider before we make a withdrawal from Pionex. First of all, you need to select the same coin on both exchange or Pionex and the wallet you want to send the funds. In this case, I'm gonna use Binance as my deposit wallet or deposit exchange. In this case, I selected USDT and I need to select USDT in Pionex. Also, the network needs to match. If you send, for example, Tron network USDT from Tron network to USDT from Ethereum network, the fund will be lost. Always watch out for the fee. In this case, USDT using the Tron network, the fee is going to be just 1 USDT. In case you select Bitcoin, the fee is 0.0005 Bitcoin. In this case, is some expensive the fee, so I recommend you to sell your Bitcoin for USDT. Then you send your USDT to your Binance account or to another exchange, and then you buy back the Bitcoin. This way is less expensive. For if you select Binance USD, you can see that the fee is 0. In this case, if you select the Binance Chain Network. So we go to Binance, select Binance Smart Chain, copy the address, and then you paste the address here on Pionex and the fee will be 0. Once you are going to do the withdrawal and we select all, you can see that there is no funds on Binance USD despite the fact that you can see 22 USD on your account, and this is because the coin is in USDT and not Binance USD. So you go to trade, manual. Of course, first you have to choose here BUSD USDT. As you can see, trade, manual, market, and you buy using your USDT all in. You exchange it for Binance USD. Then we go to wallet, and we can see that now we have all the funds in Binance USD. This is a very common mistake that people are going to withdraw and then they see that the funds are not available to withdraw and they panic. So you need to exchange all funds to the coin you want to withdraw. Now we copy, we selected the same network. As you can see, Smart Chain. We paste, we double check the first digits and the last digits. It's the same address. the same network, Binance Chain, and we submit. We copy the code. This needs to be done fast. We copy the code. Of course, the timer expired, so we need to do the process again. This needs to be done very quick. We will do it again. So Pionex is going to send you an email code, and then you need to copy the code from your Google Authenticator app. Sometimes it takes a while. And done. Withdrawal request successful. As you can see, is on processing. Is very easy. Just we need to take all these things into consideration when we are going. Always remember to check the fee, the coin, the network. This may take a while. Sometimes is instant. Now I'm going to show you once the status changed to successfully. 3 minutes after, and now the status has changed to complete. If we go to Binance, we can see that the notification came about the deposit. It's the same amount, as you can see, and done. It's very easy to withdraw. Some people panic because sometimes you don't copy and put the code in time, and it can be very stressful. If you try too many times, Pionex is going to block the withdrawal and it's going to show you an error message about too many tries, and people can panic. I can understand that, but as you can see, it's very easy if you follow the steps.